Blizzard comes in the field. Blizzard, what are you doing? Blizzard!
Blizzard wants to see that why she's climbing.
Oh, why you climb the cage, Blizzard? I got that on camera, Blizzard. What did I say?